Are you convinced dun sa sinabi niyang ito?
Yun ang nakarating sa kanya, that they resisted arrest. Of course, his role is to defend his men. He will not incriminate his men naman, even in the Senate. So it is our job now to make sure, where is your operational report? Kasi bago ka naman gumawa ng isang meron yung report eh. Kung may lead ka, sino-sino yung mga tinutuntun mo, meron bang ganon? Number 2, merong, ano mo yung tawag nito pagkatapos? Debriefing? Pagkatapos nun. Number 3, ano yung status ng mga kaso na na-file na ninyo? Out of that 700, or out of the extrajudicial, yung mga vigilante groups, konti lang, wala pa yatang 50 mga na-file dyan ilang daan na yon. So ang ibig sabihin talaga, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na nanlaban yon. Nakita naman natin kahapon, di ba may pinakita sa TV? Kahapon ba yon? Yung, oo, yung general, syempre, oo, sumusurrender na. Syempre sasabihin, hindi naman ninyo nakikita, naririnig lang ninyo. Pero there's some truth to it, di ba? Parang, there has to be something that needs to be uncovered. That's why we won't know the whole truth. But again, General Bato cannot incriminate his men until he really knows the situation. But I pray, and we have to be able to assert this, that they always adhere to the truth. And we will remind them that, especially when they have the hard evidence. Ang mahirap din kasi sabihin kay General Bato, you're lying, that's not true. Because we ourselves don't know. Di ba? Hindi natin alam kung talagang nanlaban yun. But just by the odds, alam na nila with this administration na shoot to kill ang order pag ikaw ay nanlaban. Lalaban ka pa ba kung ano ang laban nila, di ba?